to a GK lesson. This is for third standard GK. And today's topic is homophones on page 253. Homophones on page 253. Now, homophones, what is the meaning of homophones? They are words which sound the same, but the spelling is different and the meaning is also different. The sound is the same, like sun and sun. One is S-U-N and one is S-O-N. But the spelling is different and the meaning is different. So let's get started. Homophones. Homophones are words which sound the same but are spelt differently. They also have different meanings. Tick the correct word to make the sentences meaningful. Now the first one, Mr. Lal has 2 sons. It is T-W-O. 2 sons. You see the picture also there of 2 boys. The sun is shining. S-U-N. Sun. That is the correct word. You see the picture of a sun. 3. My mother is very dear to me. Now D-E-R, D-E-E-R is an animal. D-E-A-R means very precious. So my mother is very dear to me. D-E-A-R. Next one. We should switch off the light. O-F or O-double-F? It is O-double-F. Off the lights when we leave the room. It is not O-F, it is O-double-F. 5th one. We write with a pencil in class 3. Which right? Not your right hand. It is W-R-I-T-E. Right. 6th one. I went to their house yesterday. It is not there. It is there. T-H-E-I-R. 7. Mohan is combing his hair. H-A-I-R. H-A-R-E means a rabbit. A size bigger than an ordinary rabbit is called a hare. 8. The stairs are too big. Stairs. S-T-A-I-R-S. Stairs means steps. So with that, this is done. Homophones on page 253. Now let's go on to the next task or next page, page 254, that talks about colorful costumes. Now you see in India itself, it's a land with very many states and different types of food, culture and dresses and even a language. Now in Kerala itself, you see people wearing the sari, people wearing the dhoti, people wearing the kurta, then people wearing the, you can see lehenga or the long skirt, then the set, different varieties of dress. Now India, every state almost has, or not almost has, every state has their particular traditional dress. Now here in the text, you can see some states and the traditional attire. So look at the text please. People living in the different states of India wear distinct traditional dresses. Now the first picture is that of a Himachal Pradesh couple wearing, the headdress, both the man and the woman. Second one, Mizoram, they are having a sort of tribal dress. That also the head is having some sort of decoration. The Rajasthan, the man is having a heavily, made turban, decorated turban. And Kerala, again you see that man is wearing a dhoti, obviously you can see, with that shawl on his shoulder, and the lady wearing the maybe typical Kerala sari. Now here are some brides and grooms. Identify the states or union territories they belong to. Now the first picture belongs to West Bengal. You have in the help box West Bengal. Please write it under number 1. The second picture shows you a man and a woman from Punjab. So you write there Punjab. The third picture shows you the dress of Uttar Pradesh. Please look into the help box if you have doubts regarding the spelling. Uttar Pradesh. And the last one belongs to Jammu and Kashmir. So these two chapters 6 and 7 were very easy, and your homework will be to get pictures of two costumes of any state of Kerala, sorry, not Kerala, of India, and stick in the notebook. I repeat, the homework: get two colorful costumes from any state of India that belongs to any state of India. It can be Kerala also, or Maharashtra, or Delhi, or West Bengal, or Gujarat, anything, and stick in the notebook and write the name of the state under the picture. Remember to write the name of the state under the picture. That's all for today. Thank you. There's one more homework for you. Now you go on to the map, please. On page 238. Map work on page 238. Now the previous lesson you had learnt about the continents and oceans. Now look at the question. A. On the outline map of the world given below, mark the 7 continents. So go back to the lesson and look at the 7 continents that is done in the textbook and do this work here in this map. You have to mark the 7 continents. Likewise, the exercise B. On the outline map of the world given below, mark the oceans. Again, the same lesson, you will have the different oceans. Look at the map and mark the different oceans on this map. Please do this and take a photo and send it to the school WhatsApp number. Thank you.